Hello student, welcome to physics lecture. Today we are going to start the application of uniform circular motion. The first application is vehicle along a horizontal circle. Figure shows the vertical section of a car on horizontal circular track of radius r. Plane of figure is a vertical plane perpendicular to the track but include only center C of the track. The forces acting on the car. First, the weight mg acting vertically downward direction. From the diagram we can show the weight mg which is acting downward direction. Second force, the normal reaction N acting vertically upward direction, and that balance the weight mg. Third force, the force of static friction Fs between road and tire of the car. These three forces is shown by the diagram. The weight mg, it is balanced by normal reaction N. We can written it mg is equals to N. This is equation number 1. And the car is moving on a circular track, means it perform a circular motion. We know that to perform a circular motion it is necessary the centripetal force. The static frictional force provide the certain necessary centripetal force. Hence we can written as Fs is equals to mr omega square is equals to mv square upon r. This is equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 we can written as Fs upon N is equals to r omega square g is equals to v square upon rg. This static friction, because it prevents the vehicle from outward slipping or skidding. This is the resultant force which is centripetal. As the speed v increases, the force Fs also increases. जर स्पीड आपण व्हेकलचा इन्क्रीज केला तर स्टॅटिक फ्रिक्शन पण काय होईल, इन्क्रीज होईल. Fs हॅज अप्पर लिमिट, तर त्याची अप्पर लिमिट किती राहील. वी नो दॅट स्टॅटिक फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स इज इक्वल्स टू μs n. Hence μs is the coefficient of static friction. Maximum possible speed Vs is Fs max upon N is equals to μs is equals to v square max upon rg. From this equation we can written as, hence v square max is equals to mu rg. Taking square root to both sides we can get v max is equals to under root mu rg. This is the upper limit or maximum possible speed of the vehicle which can be driven on a horizontal circular track. Second application is well or wall of death. त्यालाच आपण म्हणतो मौत का कुवा. हे आपण सर्कसीमध्ये किंवा मेल्यामध्ये गेल्यानंतर आपण बघितलंच आहे मौत का कुवा. त्याच्यामध्ये जो ड्रायव्हर राहतो तो वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे स्टंट करतो आणि आपल्याला विचार येते की तो स्लिप होत नाही किंवा त्याची गाडी खाली पडत नाही, तर ती कशामुळे आहे त्याचंच आपल्याला याच्यामध्ये अप्लिकेशन दिलेलं आहे की त्याचा स्पीड किती राहतो, मिनिमम स्पीड किती राहतो, तेच आपल्याला याच्यामध्ये बघायचं आहे. फिगर शो this is the vertical cylindrical. In this figure, this is a vertical cylindrical wall of radius r. Inside which a vehicle is driven in horizontal circle. This can be seen while performing stunt. Figure shows we consider the vehicle is moving in horizontal circle. There are forces acting on the vehicle are first the normal reaction N acting horizontally toward the center, shown in figure. The normal reaction which is acting horizontally toward the center. Second, weight mg of the vehicle acting vertically downward direction, shown in figure. The weight mg which is acting in downward direction. Third force is the force of static friction Fs acting vertically upward between wall and tires. फिगर मध्ये दाखवल्याप्रमाणे स्टॅटिक फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स तो अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन नी ऍक्ट होता है बिटवीन वॉल्स एंड टायर्स ऑफ द व्हीकल्स. In this case, when the vehicle performs circular motion, we can need centripetal force. In this case, the centripetal force is provided by the normal reaction. We can written as N is equals to mr omega square is equals to mv square upon r. This is equation number 1. From figure, we can say that the Fs is acting in upward direction and mg is acting in downward direction. It can be balanced. Hence, we can written as mg is equals to Fs. This is equation 2. We know that static frictional force, consider the static frictional force is less than or equal to mu Sn. Hence, mg is less than or equal to mu Sn. This is equation number 3. Third, from equation 1 and 3, we can get mg is less than or equal to mu s आणि n ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे mv square upon r. We can written as mv square upon r. mm get cancel. We can get equation g less than or equal to mu s ब्रॅकेट मध्ये v square upon r. Hence g is less than or equal to mu s v square upon r. Hence mu s v square is greater than or equal to rg. V square is greater than or equal to rg upon mu s. Hence V minimum, taking square root to both sides, we can get V minimum is equals to under root rg upon mu s. This is the minimum speed of a vehicle which can be driven vertical cylindrical wall of radius r. From this equation we can say that the speed of a vehicle, it can be depends upon radius of the cylindrical wall, acceleration due to gravity g, and the coefficient of static friction.